Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living, and for today's video I'm going to be making a little snack cracker, and it's called Ritz Crackers Party Snacks. And I seen this on Facebook and I thought it really looked good and looked like something that I would want to try. So I'm having some chili this evening for the meal, and I said these crackers will go real good with this chili. And my chili is actually just about done, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and go ahead and get started making these crackers. Hopefully I'll be able to finish the video. I started just a few minutes ago and the electricity went out, and that's the second time that our electricity has went out today, but the wind's blowing pretty hard outside, so it could go off again. Hopefully it won't. But first thing I'm going to do for the ingredients, I'm using 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. I'm going to be using some Ritz Crackers, some sharp cheddar cheese, red bell pepper diced up small, some chives cut up small, some garlic powder, and a little bit of salt and pepper. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this cream cheese in this bowl. And hopefully I let it set out long enough to get good and soft. It came off good, so that's a good sign. Okay, and I'll just cut it into a few little small pieces. Yeah, it's cutting good. And I'm going to use a wooden spoon to just sort of cream it up just a little bit, soften it up better. Okay, next thing I'll do is go ahead and add my cheese to it. And this is 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. I will put the recipe in the description below for you. And I'm going to go ahead and add the bell peppers to it. And the recipe called for 1/2 cup of those bell peppers, but I think I put just a little more than 1/2 cup in there. I had 1/2 bell pepper and I just diced it up and put all that in there. And if it's a little more, that'll be okay because we like bell peppers. I am making these snack crackers for Marie. She said she thought she would enjoy them also, but now she's not going to eat any of the chili today. She hasn't been feeling good, and you don't want to eat chili when you're not feeling good. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add the chives to it. And the recipe called on chives for 1/4 cup. And I'm just going to put about half that amount in to start with because I may not want all these chives in it. And then I'll go ahead and put the garlic powder. It calls for 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and just a little salt and pepper to taste. So we'll go ahead and add that to it. And now we want to get it mixed up real good. Okay, I think it's looking just like I wanted it to look. So that's a good sign. This is just a good, fast little recipe you can make for some party snacks. And we're primarily making it, we're going to eat them while we're watching a football game this evening. So they're real good for that, but you could make them to take to any type of party you're having. Okay, I think I've got that mixed up good. So let me get some crackers out here and we'll start making a few of them. Now you can take this mixture and you can put this in a refrigerator and keep it for 2 or 3 days if you need to, and then just make your crackers as you want to make them. Because if you make all your crackers to start with, the crackers may get a little soggy. Okay. And I'm just going to take a little small teaspoon and get a spoonful of this. Put on there. Then take another cracker and just put it on there and mash it flat. And that's it right there. That's all there is to it. And just make up a handful. Let me go ahead and mix us up a few of them. I may have had too much on the first one, so I won't put quite as much on this one. That looks a little better right there. These are my gluten-free multi-grain crackers, and I'm gonna make me a few on these because I can't eat the Ritz Crackers. Okay, I'm back and I got these made up. Let's see, I made 5, 10. Okay, I made about 11 of these Ritz Crackers, and I made 5 of the ones with the multi-grain gluten-free crackers. And I've already tried the crackers. The crackers are good, but I'm gonna try it with the with the cheese spread inside of it now and see how it tastes. And it is crunchy. These are some real crunchy crackers. Very good. I like it with the that garlic in there. That garlic really sets it off and gives it a real good flavor to it. If you don't like garlic, you could leave that out. That's real good. I tell you what, since Marie can't come in here and do a taste test, I'm going to take her one back here real quick. She's back in the den, and I'm going to let her taste of it and see how she likes it, and I'll come back and let you know what she says. Take her that, and that's a real pretty one there. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and Marie did try that one. She said she does like it. She said that the garlic taste is a little strong in it, though, stronger than she expected. So the recipe called for 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and so you may want to use a little less garlic powder unless you like the garlic taste. Personally, I liked it, and I don't have any complaints with that. But I'm going to fix a few of these up and take them back to Marie, and we're going to enjoy them. I'm going to have chili and the gluten-free snack crackers, and she's just going to have some of these snack crackers. Okay, so y'all have a great day. Hope you enjoyed seeing me make these. If you try them, leave in the comments, let us know how you liked them and how they turned out for you. But I think they're going to be great for a football game or any kind of little party that you need some party snacks to take to. So y'all have a great day. We'll see you on our next video. And like Marie always says, do what you love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a store and sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey, come along for the ride. Southern Country Living, where love and life collide. Do what you love and love what you do.